Hello guys, this is Umar from Ezpz Solutions, and in this video we are going to unbox and give a small review about Msi GS65 Stealth 8SE. So let us begin with the unboxing and see what comes in the box.
Drop it.
This video is sponsored by Laptop Station, your one-stop laptop shop. And we have a power cord with European connector, which is usually works in India also. And then we have a 180 watt charging brick, which used to charge the laptop. So as you can see there. So here on the left we have a gigabit Ethernet, two USB 3.0, headphone jack and a microphone jack. And on the right we have a charging port, HDMI, Thunderbolt 2, USB Type C and a USB 3.0 Type A port. Let's do a time lapse. Power on. Let's do a Cinebench run on this laptop. So the specifications of these laptops are Intel Core i7-8750H 6-core 12-thread CPU, 16GB DDR4 RAM, RTX 2060 6GB GDDR6, 512GB SSD, and a 1080p 15-inch 144Hz display. And the score we got from Cinebench is 1166. So now let's benchmark the GPU and let me show you some specifications of the display. We have a 1080p 144Hz IPS display with 100% sRGB color space. This is one of the best displays you can find on a laptop with 100% RGB space, good for gaming, good for productivity. And the score we got from the display is 96 FPS from the graphics card. Cinebench score. This is it for this video, so let's do some b-roll and let's get going.
If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you